everything in Sprout, but a lot of the concepts are the same. So if you're familiar with those concepts, you'll be fine. And it's also partly inspired by Ruby on Rails, so you have things like generators to generate models, generate controllers, views, and also the directory structure is very similar to Rails. Or I guess KPHP or Symfony also uses probably a similar. I don't know. One thing that's different, or another thing that's different from Cappuccino, is that you can use it for both desktop-ish applications and for classic applications. And with classic applications, I mean things like new Twitter. When you're on Twitter, you have something that looks and feels like a website, but it's basically still an application. So if you add someone, then the count of your followers changes. So you have dependencies that you have on that site that have to be updated. You can use Sprout to develop such HTML-based applications as well. And you cannot use Cappuccino for that. Cappuccino is really only for these desktop-like applications. And another thing, touch and mobile support is built into Sprout, which is not the case in Cappuccino. Since Cappuccino is standards-based, it's just JavaScript, HTML, CSS in the end, it will also run on an iPad or something like that. But it doesn't really have explicit support for it built in. And Sprout does. So touch, events, and everything are first-class citizen in Sprout. So you can, if you have a list view, you can use your finger to move the list view up and down. You can use the pinch and zoom to zoom in and out of images. All that works. Yeah, and the website is sprout.com, and they